Have you ever seen some YouTube videos where they are literally telling you can earn 10,000 in 30 days using AI, no experience needed or such similar video? So today I am going to talk about these YouTubers, how they are fooling you and how they are scamming you just for their views and for subscriber, but not letting you learn the main thing of what is AI and how AI works. So this video is all about that. In today's video I am going to tell you how these YouTubers are fooling you and doing a scam with you in the name of just teaching you how to learn AI, but they are not actually doing that. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone, my name is Sanskar. I am an AI expert. Today I am going to tell you the truth behind the AI hype, like how these creators are misusing AI trends to gain subscriber and ad revenue. They promise a fixed income like 10,000, but you tell me one thing, how can income be fixed? Like every person will get 10,000 a month. Like this is basically literally they are fooling you in the name of teaching you AI. Can income be same for everyone? No, right? Real income depends on skill, time, market demand. If income was guaranteed, it wouldn't be YouTube, it would be a company. So income would never be same a 10,000 for everyone. So this is basically the whole thing of your skills. Depending on your skills, how you know the skills. So like whenever you see such type of thing like you will be getting 10,000 in 30 days, this is basically a scam the YouTuber is doing with you. The no experience lie. They literally tell you no experience needed, but look closely. Writing, marketing, talking to clients, this is basically skills. AI only helps people who already know something. AI does not replace thinking. So for doing something you need experience. Without experience there is no value of yours in the market. Skills like writing and marketing are still mandatory. They basically show you tools, not skills. They will only promote the tools in which in return they are getting something paid from that tool. But what you are getting nothing. You are only wasting your time and thinking that by watching this 10 minutes or 5 minutes video you can learn this skill and earn some amount with the AI, but basically you are getting fooled. The only benefit from you is they are getting their views, subscriber, that's all. These videos shows tool, ChatGPT, website dashboard, but they never explain what. They will never explain to you who is the client, why will someone pay you, how do you get customer. Main reason behind starting the AI is from where do you get customers. Tools don't give you money, problem solving gives money. Fake or unclear proof. They show screenshot of earnings, but notice no date, no platform, no verification. Anyone can edit the screenshot in just 5 minutes. Real proof is platform dashboard, public case study, multiple user confirming the same result. So you can, if you see all these things, you can trust on that YouTuber or you can trust on that video. They hide failures. They only show you success story. They never say how many people failed, how long it actually takes, how many quit. They never show all these things. They will only show you the success, like how someone who earned this much money by using this skill. They will only show you the success, but they won't show you the backstory of how actually it is working. This create false hope. Clickbait titles and thumbnails. Titles like, you have seen many titles like secret method, easy money, hidden trick. These are made for views, not education. So whenever you see some of this title like secret method, easy money, hidden trick, these all are fake. So next time onwards, whenever you see this type of things or this type of title, be alert and avoid watching that video. This will basically take your time and you will learn nothing from it. Their real income comes from YouTube ad, sponsorship and course. No clear step-by-step system. They explain what but not how. No real step like pricing, rejection, client communication. If a method cannot be followed today for free, it's not real. How not to get fooled again. Before trusting any video, ask, is income guaranteed? Is effort explained? Are failure discussed? If two or more answers are no, skip the video. Don't waste your time watching that video. AI is a tool, not a shortcut, not magic. Skills plus time equals to real income. Fast money promise equals to view. Build real skill set. Learn something that will actually be worth learning and spending time. There are many YouTubers who genuinely want to teach you something. So instead of wasting your 10 or 15 minutes in watching the videos that are basically fooling you, invest your time in the genuine videos that are available in the market. You can watch that video and get your knowledge upgrade. So don't waste your time in watching those fake videos where they are scamming you. If this video saved you from getting fooled, like and share it. Subscribe if you want real, honest explanation, not fake hype. And remember, don't chase money, build skills, money follows.